Have you ever walked out of a meeting and you just know you missed something important? Well, you're going to want to see this. We're talking about a brand new piece of AI technology that is about to make typing up your notes a thing of the past. Seriously, this is a total game changer. And hey, we're going to break down exactly how this thing works in just a second. But if you're into tech that actually gives you your time back, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for @BrandTechOff. You won't want to miss what's coming next.
All right, so here's the plan for today. First, we're going to talk about why our current way of taking notes is, well, kind of terrible. Then, we'll dive into the AI solution that fixes it. I'll put two of the top new devices head to head. After that, we'll map out your new, super efficient workflow, and we'll wrap up with the one big idea you absolutely need to take away from all this.
Okay, first up, the information overload trap. Let's be real, we are all drowning in information, right? Every meeting, every lecture, it feels like this constant battle to just try and capture what matters. And honestly, most of the time, we're losing that fight. I mean, think about it. You walk out of a big brainstorming session feeling amazing, but then an hour later, you're trying to remember that one killer idea or, wait, what was that specific thing you were supposed to do? It's all just fuzzy. Yeah, we've all been there. It's because the old way is just fundamentally broken. You're either typing like a maniac, trying to get every word, and you totally miss the vibe of the conversation, or you try to be present and engaged, and you forget all the crucial details later. And don't even get me started on the hours you waste trying to transcribe or just make sense of your own messy handwriting. It's a huge drain on your time and your brain. But what if you could just outsource your memory? Imagine having a little AI assistant right in your packet, capturing every single word with perfect recall. Well, that technology isn't some far-off sci-fi dream. It's actually here, right now. So check this out. Hot off the floor from this year's CES, a whole new category of hardware has just dropped: AI voice recorders. Now, don't think of these as those old-school dictaphones. No. These devices don't just record the sound, they actually understand it. They turn hours of rambling conversation into structured, actionable notes, and they do it all automatically. So let's get practical. To really see what this looks like, we're going to put two of the hottest new devices in a head-to-head showdown: the Plaud NotePin S and the Soundcore Work. Let's see how they stack up. Now, what's really fascinating here are the two totally different approaches. So on one side, you've got the Plaud NotePin S. It's $179, and its killer feature is a physical button. If you're someone who loves that satisfying tactile click to mark an important moment, this is probably for you. But then you've got the Soundcore Work, a little cheaper at $159, and it's all about being invisible. It's tiny, coin size, and you highlight key moments with a simple double tap. Both of them use some seriously powerful AI to transcribe and summarize your notes, so the choice really comes down to this. Do you want a physical, obvious control or something more subtle and discreet? But look, specs on a slide are one thing. How does this tech actually change your day-to-day life? This is the most important part, you guys. This is how you literally get hours of your week back. Your new workflow becomes just ridiculously simple. Step 1, you record. That's it. You just focus on the conversation. Step 2, the second you're done, the AI transcribes everything for you, instantly. And then step 3, you get a clean, perfect summary with all the key points and action items laid out. All those hours you used to spend typing and organizing are just gone. And this is the number that really matters. By automating all that manual busy work, people are reporting that they're saving 5 or more hours every single week. That's not a small thing. That's an extra 20 hours a month. Think about that for a second. That's basically half a work week that you just get back every single month. Which brings us to the big takeaway. In a world that's all about focus and efficiency, could a tiny little AI device like this actually be your new secret weapon for getting ahead? Ultimately, it all boils down to this philosophy. This tech isn't about replacing how we think. It's about making us better. The entire point is to automate the boring, repetitive stuff so that we can free up our time and our brain power for what really matters. Creativity, big picture strategy, and just connecting with other people. So I'm going to leave you with this question. If someone just handed you an extra 5 hours every single week, what would you do with that time? Would you finally start that side project, learn a new skill, or just spend more time with the people you care about? Let me know your answer in the comments below. I'm really curious to see what you guys would do.